4 AM in the morning. Me and Dad are going to go do some digging while everyone else is sleeping at the house. The sun gets up really early here, so that's why we're getting up so early.
Not bending around it? Huh?
Like you moved it a little bit. Yep, there. Dad just marked out the decking wire to connect all of them from the container to there to here and all the way along here and all the way over there where that is, back is, digging.
Okay, so I thought I would jump up on the roof and check out what the girls did yesterday. They've actually done a really good job, but now that it's quite peaceful in the morning here, I'm not micromanaging and watching a baby. I've got a little bit of time to reflect, and just looking at the roof and how it's degraded over the last 3 years from brand new. The vines are ripping all the paint off. It's not allowed to go through, so cordon steel is really good if it goes through a proper getting wet and then drying cycle, which isn't happening here. It's so humid, we're near the ocean, and then it's just puddling under the paint. So I'm not happy leaving it how it is, I've decided. So I might go into town when I pick everyone up, and we will try and organise some extra funds, because I definitely didn't budget time-wise for building a whole roof, and definitely not fund-wise. So we will go into town and hopefully release some funds.
Oh God. Don't fall. So fun times, because we're overseas, or certain apps won't work, certain websites won't work, but also our shares, which we now need to sell, that won't work for them. So hubby's now on the phone to his mum, trying to talk her through. She's had to download the app and log into my profile, and yeah. So now he is trying to talk her through what we actually have to do to sell these shares so that we can buy a few more bits and pieces for our build that we need.
They have big tongues. There you go.
Over here in Vanuatu, they have very strict laws because they're all Christian. So from 12 o'clock on a Sunday, you cannot, well, on Sundays just in general, you cannot have a beer. If you were to go to shops and say, can I have a beer? They'd say no. They've all covered everything up. I think it's actually from Saturday 12 o'clock. But that's interesting.
We couldn't have Christmas without a Christmas tree, so we bought a Christmas tree. So now we have to put said Christmas tree in the back with all the shopping. It's literally full to the brim. So this is fun. I don't know where to even put it that it's not going to fall out or blow out. There we go, that's right, eh?
Hey, how you going?
She's fine. She'll be right. We're all okay.
Now.
I need my
Okay, so Dad's growling at the girls. We are at Trade Base. We're gonna hopefully get a ball pump, and I think later on we're going to get a oh, what's it called? A tank for the ball as well. So here we go.
We might be getting a pump so that we can get some electricity, I think, or the water.
Oh, there's a big rat. Where'd that just go? Oh, there it is. The door handle. Whoops. Pushing on the wrong side of the door.
This place came highly recommended to us.
78,000.
Where are you reading that?
Right there.
How much is that? 700.
About 1,000.
Holy how much is that one?
30.
No. That's, yeah, so 367, which would be about $500.
How's that one big? It's more than this one.
We just found a pump. I think we might buy it. I'm not sure.
No, that one's only electric, that one's solar.
And that one's like half the price.
Yeah.
Do you want to get the big one?
Yeah, we'll get the big one. Is it going to fit? Did you double check that?
Is that
Feel better about it?
It's crazy.
So we've poured our tank. That's all loaded up. Polly's there. And then just here we've got, that's our bore pump. So we get the electrician out to work all that up for us. I don't know whether that's going to go in. Just wait, Dad's trying to make sure it's going to stay. You happy? Not really? Do you want to buy more rope?
We only go 50.
I'm not worried about the bumpy road.
Well, then it'll fall on the road and then we put it back in again. Let's go.
Alright, let's go. Down here at the Port Vila markets, these are famous around the world, and loads of families from all over the island will actually come down. They'll send a member of their family, or sometimes the whole family comes down, and they'll stay in Port Vila until all of their goods are sold, and that funds their family, that's their income. There's such a huge variety here. Like, honestly, if you're ever in Vanuatu, you have to come down and check it out. It's amazing. So we just rocked up at the site. Dad and Ivy were here earlier this morning. So let's have a look what's been done. Oh, we got a string line. How come you got it crossing over like this? Is that just to keep it taut?
This is how I know where to put a post, and because you have to dig the footing bigger. Yeah?
Okay, yeah.
So now then I can make sure the post is exactly where I want it.
Yeah, okay.
In that big hole that I'm going to do. You can see there's a hole up, go up the end.
Alright. Ooh. Mum did not bump it. I did not bump it. I didn't.
It wobbled.
Dude, I did not wobble.
It did.
Yeah, there's a lot of bugs in there. Okay, so you're gonna have big footings. Doesn't look like it's in line though. Are you sure this is square?
Huh? What?
This is on an angle. Is it supposed to be on an angle?
It's 100% not. It's touching the container.
Oh my god. Zach,
What?
there's like a spider that's bigger than my hand.
Where?
Right here.
Show the kids.
Kids, come here. They look like different, like...
It's wobbling.
Is it? That might be shaking. Oh, there's another one there.
Ah, it's moving. Yeah, because I'm blue. Oh, Mum, look at his baby.
I don't think it's a baby. I think it's a like cockroach or something that it's been eating. It's pretty big. There's a lot of them around. And so another one up there further in the tree. I don't know if you can see. Oh, there's a big like spider nest up there. Every time a raindrop falls on my shoulder, I freak out. What does she want? The string line?
I don't know.
You want the string line?
I think she does actually.
It's Daisy. I see a baby. Say hi, baby. Alright. So finally have measured out these pegs to symbolise where our posts are going, where we've got to cement. Took us a heck of a lot longer because we were going off of the basis that the container was actually 12 metres, and it's not. It's 12 metres and 20 centimetres. So our measurements kept being out. So we did it about 3 times over, and then I decided we needed to measure the container. So we measured the container. We had to move all these stakes. So, climb over here. Woo. So we've got from the line there, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 stakes, and then the end one. So that's where we're going to have to cement our posts into. And this job should have taken 5 minutes. And it took a heck of a lot longer, didn't it?
Taking half a day.
Everyone's hot, everyone's sweaty, everyone's getting grumpy.
I think everyone's a bit tired from being out shopping all day. Poor bugger. That can't be comfortable.
What if I just do what Mum did?
She's so gorgeous. I don't know how she's holding herself up. Nah, leave her be. If her body's happy staying that way, leave her like that.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on notifications and give us a huge thumbs up.